Hi guys, let's visit a Thai glass and aluminum house today. I need a non-flanged flat aluminum bar for today's project. I chose this bar from the multiple bars. It's a broken tripod head. Although it's faulty, you can also choose a good tripod because it only requires the liquid leveler kit. Every good quality tripod has this leveler kit. With a little pressure from the front, the kit came out. I divided the kit into 2 equal sections. Mark it very carefully. If the level mark will not be correct if it is slightly sideways. You have to mark inch or centimeter. I divided it into inches. I rubbed a little the non-flanged flat aluminum frame. This is wall or desk PVC trunking straight bar. It is a mini torch light that I will use its charging part. This is a 3.7-volt lithium-ion battery. I took an on-off switch, 1K resistor, and 2 pieces 3-volt LEDs. I disassembled the unnecessary parts of the torch light charging kit. Now I used copper super wire for switch. I connected the wire to separate switching poles. I took again 2 super cables. I connected a 1K resistor to one. And I connected to the LED's output of the torch light charging kit. I connected the 3.7-volt lithium-ion battery to the battery input of the torch light charging kit. The circuit I needed was done. Now, I'll set up everything one by one in wall, desk PVC trunking box. Now, I will put it in non-flanged flat aluminum frame. I placed the liquid leveler kit in the center of the PVC trunking box, in front of the focus of the 2 LEDs. Charging. It's a mobile charger. My today's project is done. Now let's see how to use it. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and comment if necessary.